Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
Stuck choosing between the Sony 28-70mm F3.5-5.6 and the Sony FE 70-200mm F4 macro GOSS 2? It's a tough call. Think of it as choosing between a reliable, everyday zoom and a specialized telephoto powerhouse.
The 28-70mm B07 BYYH28H is definitely appealing for its size and weight. Just 1 pound. Seems like a great walk-around lens. But is it too basic? I mean, how good bull is the image quality, really?
Don't underestimate it. For a renewed lens, often under $250, it punches above its weight. It's got built-in optical steady-shot image stabilization, so you can get surprisingly sharp handheld shots. Think crisp photos, even in lower light, without lugging around a tripod. Plus, it's a full-frame lens.
Okay, but the 70-200mm B0 CKFK38ZK is in a different league, right? It looks more professional, and the specs are impressive. But at over $1,300, is it worth the extra weight, over 3 pounds, and cost for most users?
Let's dive deeper into what each lens offers. The 28-70mm zoom range is incredibly versatile for everyday use. From landscapes at 28mm to portraits at 70mm, it covers a lot of ground. It's like having a reliable Swiss Army knife, perfect for travel and general shooting.
True, but the 70-200mm telephoto reach is a serious time game changer, especially if you're into wildlife or sports photography. And it's not just reach, it also boasts 0.5x half macro capabilities. Imagine capturing stunning close-ups of insects or flowers. That adds a whole new dimension. Plus, those XD linear motors make autofocus incredibly fast and quiet.
But here's where it gets tricky, and where you need to be honest about your needs.
The 28-70mm has a variable aperture of f3.5-5.6, which means you're letting in less light as you zoom in. That can be a challenge in dimly lit environments.
Exactly. And while the 70-200mm has a constant f4 aperture, giving you consistent light throughout the zoom range, it's significantly larger and heavier, making it less convenient for casual, all-day shooting. It's a classic trade-off: portability versus specialized performance and image quality.
So how do we decide which one is right?
It all boils down to your shooting style and what you prioritize.
Precisely.
If you need a versatile, lightweight, and affordable lens for everyday photography, travel snapshots, and general use, the 28-70mm is your winner. It's compact, readily available, renewed, and offers solid, all-around performance.
But if you're passionate about wildlife, sports, or macro photography, and you absolutely need that extra reach, faster autofocus, and superior image quality, the 70-200mm is the superior choice. Just be prepared to invest more and carry more weight.
Both are great lenses, but choose the one that truly aligns with your photographic passion and intended use. Now go out there and capture some amazing shots. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.